Cinnamon is a brown, sweet-smelling spice derived from the dried inner bark of a tree native to Sri Lanka and neighboring regions. Because of its rarity and value, it was valued higher than gold in medieval times. Cinnamon contains numerous compounds, including cinnamaldehyde, cinnamate, cinnamic acid, and essential oils. These provide it with natural fungicidal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. Here are a few methods to use cinnamon in your garden. Damping off disease is a common issue in plants, causing them to wilt and die as they begin to grow. Cinnamon can help prevent this by destroying the fungus that causes the disease. To use, sprinkle cinnamon around your soil. For older plants, make a cinnamon spray by steeping a spoonful or two of cinnamon in 1 liter of warm water overnight. Straining it and then spraying it on the affected areas. Cinnamon can encourage root growth in plant cuttings. When planting a cutting, simply rub cinnamon onto the stem before planting. Many gardeners believe it is as effective as commercial rooting hormones. It only needs to be applied once and is effective on almost all plants. Pruning is necessary for healthy plant growth, but it can occasionally cause wounds that are susceptible to infection, particularly if dirty tools are used. Cinnamon can help these wounds heal faster and prevent fungal infections. If you accidentally injure a plant with pruning shears or a weed whacker, dust the wound with cinnamon to promote healing and reduce infection. Ants can be a serious pest in gardens, greenhouses, and around houseplants. Cinnamon is a natural repellent because ants avoid crossing it. Sprinkle cinnamon in a line wherever you have an ant problem to keep them away. This simple barrier will help protect your plants from these tiny pests. Rust is a fungal disease that can cause significant damage to plants. Cinnamon can help prevent rust, but there is no foolproof treatment once it has set in. To protect your plants, sprinkle cinnamon into the soil during planting or between seasons. If rust appears, the affected plants should be removed and discarded to prevent the disease from spreading. Unfortunately, there is no guaranteed cure for rust once it has infected plants, but cinnamon can help your garden stay healthy. I hope you found the video engaging. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks very much.